what do you think is, needed to be done in Philippine comedy
Wow.
for everybody? Since, you're on Netflix.
Give us more money. That's all. That always helps. Philippine comedy, no, just keep doing it, honestly. Yun lang naman eh. Maganda ngayon because there's a lot of comedians na dati, may bilang mo kami, like, dalawang kamay lang eh. Ngayon, there's like I think 60, 70 comedians. Sobrang dami na. And a lot of them have their own voice. A lot of them have their own following. So parang if someone, and hindi ko sinasabi ng comedy ko para sa lahat eh. That's also the beauty of comedy din because it's individuality na amplified. So most likely, maraming tao hindi matutuwa sa akin. So ang maganda ngayon, there's so many options na okay, hindi ka natawa sa akin, maybe the other guy, matawa ka sa ibang guy. You find someone that will represent how you relate to someone, mga ganong klase. So it becomes a really good, parang gumaganda yung comedy scene because of it. So,
I have a question, Red. So your jokes ba basically is almost like yung mga nangyayari talaga sa'yo? Like it's based on your own
experiences
experience?
and observations, yeah.
What's the most intimate that you've shared?
Well, dun sa Netflix, I shared some stuff na may nakahook ako na gusto kong ihiyan, mga ganong
Gusto kang ihiyan.
Yeah, and then sabi ko parang kung paano ako nakawala doon, mga ganong klase.
At ayaw mo ba?
Ayoko eh.
That's
I'm very open-minded. I don't shame.
Ano yung trip niya? Why do girls like to pee on guys?
No, that's
I don't
some R.
understand.
Kelly shit, man.
I don't
Peeing
know.
on people.
R.
That's
Kelly
naman.
so
Kelly.
last
I
year.
guess
We're
so,
P.
yeah.
Diddy now,
It's the remix to Ignition. Yeah, talaga.
No, but if I can, I just want to share something.
Pero merong mga lalaki kasi na gusto yun.
Yeah, meron talaga.
Meron.
It's parang you can
Okay.
subgroup it
Not
under.
me, not me. Like I have a
I'm
friend.
not sure, like,
Not me.
we
me.
all
I'll
have a
tell you
friend.
if it's me,
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Saan-
But it's based from my friend. Kasi she told me, meron daw siya nakadate na guy.
Guy naman.
Basketball player.
Wow, okay. That narrows
Sabi
it down.
niya, nagulat daw siya kasi sinabi daw nung guy sa kanya na, pee on me.
Yeah. Meron
So,
talaga.
Parang siya, parang, will I do that?
Saang parte siya nagpapaihi?
Sa face.
Sa
Oh, sa face?
Yeah.
Damn! Hindi ko alam. I don't know what they do with it.
I
My
asked
goodness.
I
her,
got out of
was
there
like,
before I found out.
how?
Does it taste like Gatorade now? It quenches the
I'll ask
thirst.
her, I'll ask her.
I don't know, man.
Okay, well, before we say goodbye, right? There's just one kwento na I want to share with you guys. My most favorite joke of Red that got him a little blacklisted sa PTV. Right? So the producer was so angry and then
grabe, nagalit sa akin yun.
she cut that whole segment off, right? So kasi yung show namin was at the end of it, yung mga comedians namin mag-stand up.
yeah.
Stand up. So
Yeah.
Red did this part, right? And he said na yung ama namin
Have them deliver it.
Wag. Di ko kaya. Go.
Ito, hindi ko
No, but
mapablacklist dito.
I do remember, parang sabi ko, ama namin ba or papuri sa Diyos?
papuri sa...
Yeah. Parang, I
Papuri sa
forgot,
Diyos.
basta church songs are parang sobrang ganda ng church songs because you don't forget it even kahit matagal ka nang di pumuntang church. Tapos sabi ko yung papuri sa Diyos, yun yung Bohemian Rhapsody ng Pilipinas.
Yes.
So I did the whole bit. Hindi yun first time may na-offend actually. Ginawa ko siya dati sa isang mall. Tapos sinugod ako ng isang tao
Oh
backstage.
no! Yung isa nga, di ba nakulong pa?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yun,
Yung-
grabe yun.
grabe
Yeah,
yun.
Rock and roll
Yeah.
remix naman yun.
Because talking about religion and
Yeah,
that.
it's very
yeah.
sensitive kasi
Yeah.
No,
especially
siya
here in the
lip
Philippines.
sync siya to another church song eh. Tapos may song and dance kasi. So I think a lot of people found that more offensive than what I did,
Yeah.
I guess. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
So yun. Nalala ko yung producer na yun kasi ang unang litanya niya, sinabi niya, I'm not biased, I'm all for open creativity, but the Lord is my light and my savior. So parang makakat yung joke natin.
Yeah, it definitely got cut. Pero tumatak sa akin yun. Like, I'll never
thank you.
forget that. That was so funny.